You already know our commitment, but it's very important to reinforce each behavior and attitude that is expected of all employees. After all, they strengthen our company culture. Here at CBMM, we believe that good communication is the basis of everything, so candor is one of our main commitments. A respectful, transparent, and open communication makes all the difference. An open dialogue, regardless of hierarchical level, is essential to find creative and innovative ways and to solve our daily challenges. And speaking of candor, we can't forget providing feedback, which is essential to boost our internal relations and employees' development, recognizing good attitudes and encouraging expected behaviors. Feedback stimulates your self-knowledge and helps you to play your leading role. Have you already put it into practice? Leave it to us. Commitment encourages you to roll up your sleeves and face challenges head-on and share collective interest. After all, whatever happens, we want to count on you with the certainty that you will do your best in a collaborative and proactive way, and with a sparkle in your eyes. Be the protagonist of your own life story. Everyone who works here should be open to new things and to collaborative construction. Building the Future commitment talks about creativity, innovation, and thinking outside the box to change the mindset that here it has always been like this. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes and never settle for less, okay? After all, here, we are committed to guaranteeing excellence in every detail, acting as guardians of our company rules and guidelines, and making quality our way of being and acting. Performance defines us is also one of our commitments, and that says it all, doesn't it? It's an incentive for you to never lose sight of CBMM's strategic objectives and work in line with your goals. Our leaders must be a role model of our commitment and reinforce their capacity to influence and to contribute to the development of the CBMM team. After all, we hope to see leaders developing leaders. For that, it's necessary to know how to communicate, to give and receive feedback in an impartial way, and to promote an innovative, collaborative work environment with a high-performance culture. Also, it's necessary to be always connected, working in a multidisciplinary way so that a piece of knowledge complements another. In a challenging environment, it's essential that CBMM leaders have great capacity for connection inside and outside their areas, reinforcing their integrated vision. Excellent performance is the result of a winning corporate culture. Do you know what that means? It means that by aligning your attitudes with our commitment, you are moving forward in the right direction. Have these behaviors become part of your daily life? Which of them do you need to reinforce and put into practice the most? Our commitment is the essence of CBMM. Now is the time.